How to create a custom product page with Elementor. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom product page using Elementor. So Elementor is basically a plugin that you can use on WordPress, or you can use in your WooCommerce or any kind of e-commerce store that you're using. You can choose that plugin and you can create a customized product page using that plugin. So without any delay, let's get to the video. So first of all, the good thing about using Elementor or any other plugin to create custom product page is that they give you a lot of more options and a lot of more customizing options that you don't have in simple WordPress or WooCommerce pages, and etc. So what we're going to do is today. So what you need to do first is basically go into the plugins and add a basically new plugin, and that will be the Elementor plugin that we are going to add. I'm just going to search the keyword Elementor here. Okay, so this is basically the Elementor plugin, that is Elementor website builder. The Elementor website builder has it all: drag and drop page builder, pixel perfect design, mobile responsive editing, and more. Get started now. This is by elementor.com, so you need to basically install this. It has 5+ million installations and it was updated 5 hours ago, which is great. I mean, there are other as well, which is essential add-ons for Elementor, but these are not by elementor.com, so you need to find the one that is by elementor.com. So you need to install it. Then we will be activating it and then we will be able to use that plugin. So I'm just going to wait until it is installed. Okay, so it is installed and now I'm going to basically activate it. So after activation, here you can see this is the Elementor page. This is how it looks like. You're here. Let's set things up. So it will ask you to create your account, and then you will be able to go and create a custom product page. I'm going to create my account very quickly, and then I will be able to use the Elementor with my own account and with my own website. So I'm just going to basically sign in and create an account. I'm going to provide an email, or I'm just going to continue with Google because Google is more accessible and it is easy to use. I'm just going to basically go with Google and confirm it. So these are some basic steps that I need to fulfill in order to create a website for myself using Elementor, and you can have a logo added here. I'm just going to skip this. Then I will be able to wrap, edit and blank canvas with Elementor editor, browse 100+ templates to import your own. You can get a template for yourself so that you can have your website started right away. I'm just going to, or you can add, start with a blank canvas. I'm just going to go with a template because a template is easy to use, and it already has some kind of stuff that you can use, and basically it gives you an idea of what you're going to make and how you can make it. This is a bread bakery, and as you can see, I'm just going to go with this one right here, and I'm going to apply this kit. Okay, so everything has been added successfully, the theme and everything. So now what you need to do is basically you see your Elementor right here, and this is your WooCommerce, and then you need to go onto the pages right here. Now from the pages you need to click on add new, because we're going to add a new page to our Elementor, which will be our custom product page. And after adding a new page, it will take you to a site where you can add the new page, and where you have to basically add the information, the description about the new page that you are setting up. So I'm just going to wait until it loads up. Okay, so when you land on this page, which is basically adding a new page, add title, and etc., you see here there is an option to edit with Elementor. So I'm just going to click on this option. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the page that we have come on to, and this is the Elementor editor, and here are some things that the theme of the page that the theme basically we used for our website has given us. As you can see, this is the yellow orange colored header, the name of the website, and etc etc. These are the things that we already got on our theme. So now what you need to do is basically Elementor gives you a drag and drop option for everything that you need to add onto your page. So I'm just going to first of all basically add a heading, which will be our page heading. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to basically drag and drop my heading here, and now I'm going to add your heading text. I'm going to basically add the text here. The heading will be my style closet. This is the website that I have, so I'm just going to have my page about blouses. I'm going to sell blouses on this page. So as you can see, this is the heading. So now you need to basically, this is the title. If you have any link to your browser or anything, you can just come here and paste the link. If you want to change the size, you can, and HTML tag and alignment if you need to be aligned in the center, right, or if you want it to be justified, you can do that. With justified is mostly used in the text form. If there's a paragraph or something, I'm just going to use the one which says in the center, because I need my heading to be in the center. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to go onto the style option, and in the style option you have text color. You can change the color of your text. Typography is basically the font of your heading and the size of your heading and the basically the effect of your heading as a whole. So I'm just going to have this family, or I'm just going to basically change it a little bit and have it something something pretty. I'm going to find it, and as you can see there are a lot of font options available for you. I'm just going to basically just have anything that is that can be used. So for the size, you can just come here and you can you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller to your own liking. If you want it to weigh, it's 400. If you want it to semi bold, a bold, extra bold, black, you can just come here and make it as thicker as you want or as thinner as you want. As you can see, like this one, we're going to make it extra light. Okay, so for the transform, if you want to have all the uppercase letters, you can do that. If you want to have all the lowercase letters, like this one, if you want to have everything capitalized like this, so these are the transform options that you have. I'm just going to having the capitalized option used. So now the style is normal right now. You can make it oblique, you can make it italic, and you can make it normal if you want to. I'm just going to leave it normal. And decoration, if you want to add a decoration, if you want to add an underline, if you want to add an overline, or if you want to add anything, a line through or anything, you can just do that in this decoration decoration heading, decoration theme. If you want to add a line height, like line height is basically this is how much the line will be apart from your heading. And if you want to add a line height, this is the line height. If you want to increase the letter spacing, you can by this. And if you want to add word spacing, you can by this. But this is only one word, so you cannot have the word spacing used right now. So this is all the typography that you have. Then there's a text stroke. Text stroke is basically just you can just make it more bold or something like that. You stroke the text or text shadow, you can just come here and make the whole text shadow, and you can make a horizontal shadow, you can make a vertical shadow, and everything like that. So this is basically the option, the style. So if you want to go back into the content, and this is the edit heading, and this is there are also some advanced settings. You can have margin, padding, width, position, z index, etc., motion effects to your heading, and these are all the options that you can. Border, background, if you want to add a background to your heading, you just come here and have a hover background or a normal background. Just come here and do that, and you'll be able to get all the background types and everything onto your heading. So these are all just type and customization options for a simple heading. Now you need to basically go back. Okay, now I'm going to basically get my widgets back. So in the next section, you need to basically add anything that you want. You can add you can add a divider. The dividers are basically good things because they make a good space onto everything, and you must add a divider after every heading or everything that you add onto your WordPress, onto your Elementor page. The next thing that you need to add is basically, I want to add some images. For the images, you have a lot of options. You can add a post, you can add a portfolio, you can add a gallery, you can add form or anything, but these are all reserved for the pro version of Elementor. If you buy the pro version, you will be able to access all of these widgets, all of these things that are available on the pro version. In the general, you can add an image box. I'm just going to click here and I'm going to drag the widget right here, and this is the heading. So this is basically image box, and this is the title of the image that you're going to add. So you can upload any image that you want. The image size should be if you want to add a custom size, you can do that. And if you want to change the heading, you can. If you want to change the description, you can from here. If you want to add an insert link or anything, you can just do that from here. And if you want to go to style, the styling options also have a lot of options you can use to make it look more good. Go back into the widgets and I will make you see how many things that you can do. These are the elements that you can use on Elementor: icon box, image, carousel, progress bar, counter, tabs, toggle, alert. As you can see, text path, quad menu, sidebar. So these are all the things that you can add onto your page using Elementor. For the site options, these are the site options, but these these are also logged only for pro version. And the WooCommerce, if you want to add there are some options which is named under WooCommerce breadcrumbs products, archive products, but these are also for the pro version. So you can also have a lot of things in the free version as well, and you can make a decent page out of Elementor using only the free version. But if you buy the pro version, then you're really good to go, because the element and the options on the pro version are limitless. So this brings us to the end of this video. This is how you can create a custom product page on Elementor using WordPress WooCommerce. So I hope it was informative for you enough, and if you have any queries, you can comment them down and I will try to get back to you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.